Listen to that. Listen to that. It's like every bird in Washington, D.C. Tweet free zone. Tweet free zone, guys. It's like 4:30 in the morning. All these birds seem to be up. Listen to that. Like every bird in fucking Washington, D.C. Tweet free zone. Try to sleep. It's not even funny. Turn off the alarm clock, guys. At 4:30 in the morning. People are sleeping. Don't you understand that? There shouldn't even be that many birds over here. I'm not even like by. I'm not even by the park. They should be over in the park. Why is every bird? Why did they say over there tweeting? Tweet phrase, oh guy. I called it. God, why wouldn't you respect my ways? My ways are the tweet free zone. Try to sleep. You be waking me up. Are you up yet? Are you up yet? No, not up yet. Are you up yet? Apparently. Oh my God, it's like 10 billion birds. This is now Hitchcock, guy. Come on.